guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video, and for today's video, this is going to be lit.
And why is it going to be lit, you ask? For today's video, we are actually going to be changing these dirty 19th century candle looking ass lights.
I mean, honestly,
that actually looks disgusting. That looks like my car is a 2002 car. We are going to be doing a simple upgrade for today's video. Trying to upgrade these to a white xenon look light. Our car's gonna look like a fucking spaceship, trust me. So the bulbs that I've actually chosen are these Philips white vision headlight bulbs. So basically we're gonna be getting those dirty ass, crusty, old ass looking, diabolical bulbs out of the car, and we're gonna be putting these white kind of lights in. Hopefully they come out a little bit more white than this. But we shall see if these bulbs do any difference, because I've heard people saying that they do make a difference to these headlights and make them look a lot more white, but I've also heard people saying it literally looks the bloody same. So this is going to be a very shockingly shit video. Like, it's literally like watching somebody have a poo. That's how boring this video is probably going to be. One reason why I did want to make this video is because I've seen everyone online saying that Corsa bulbs are the hardest bulbs to change. Literally, if you got skinny skeleton hands like me, you can change this bulb without taking the front bumper off. People say that you have to take the front bumper off. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to change a Corsa bulb, as well as, you know, hopefully show you guys if this bulb does any difference, because this is a very small upgrade. However, if it actually does look cool, it will be beautiful. Right then, let's actually get straight into installing these bulbs. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, especially for the Corsa, because everyone says it's so hard. But you know what, let's actually just pop the bonnet right now, get out of the car, and then of course we've got the engine bay right here. And basically with the Corsa ones, literally all you need to do, I'm going to do this so quickly, literally you pop this metal clip off, you pop that off, and then this bit pops off, the protective housing. You basically have to wiggle it out, and you know, you don't even need to take the airbox out. Some people I've seen, they take this whole fucking thing out, and it's just, you basically don't need to if you can actually reach your hands in there. And it's same with the other side. You literally, this metal clip, you push this off there, pull that out, voila, and that's it. And then yeah, pretty much inside there is actually the bulb. But what we need to do is we need to get on some gloves so that we're not going to put any grease on the new bulbs. And we've got some right here. Right, a few minutes later, and honestly this one is actually quite difficult, I'm not going to lie. But on this side, I actually tried coming over to this side because it's got a little bit more room. We've actually got the bulb out right there. But you reach in and it's very, very easy to pull out. It should be, at least. I literally just yanked it a tiny bit. Make sure you're grabbing onto the right thing. As you guys can see, it's connected to this little square thing. That's what you have to pull. Right, I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully you can. There is the bulb. Oh shit. And then we're just going to yank it out. It's just like a UK plug, or you know, plug. That is the best way I can explain it. Little wiggle. There you go, that's out. And then without wasting too much time, I'm going to open this up, and there are the two new bulbs. And it actually does come with two side bulbs, or I think these might be daytime running lights. I'm going to whack these straight on the car. I'm going to grab this one first. Look at that beauty. Honestly, you know you're getting old when you get excited about bulbs. So it's got a bit of a blue tint to it, so hopefully it will make the light a bit bluer. And I believe this square thing is meant to be pointing up. Now, that bulb is now officially in. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to quickly whack on the lights and see if it's changed. We'll see if it's at all any whiter. Let's do this. Okay, wow. That is definitely a lot more white. Definitely. Bomb light, that looks sick. And I must say that is a very, very bright light, just from, you know, this isn't a high beam or anything. This is just a low beam, and wow, that is so bright. Damn. damn, I guess they did need changing after all, because that is a new bulb and that is so damn bright. Don't know if you guys can see, there's the other one, new one, and there is the old one. That is so damn not bright. I don't think I can put across how excited I am about a bulb. This one, oh my god, I cannot wait to drive with this in the night. And in the day, all lights look a bit more yellowy. Don't know why, but hopefully at night that is going to be pure, like, crystally white. So this bulb is now all locked in place. Let me show you once more. I didn't really show you guys how to insert it, but pretty much this has got a little, you know, a locking thing in. You guys might not be able to see, but right there, that little white thing, that is where that little bit goes. So it locks into that white little bit. So basically you have to put it in. Sorry about the filming, it is absolute appalling. And then there, just kind of wiggle it in, and then you bring that metal thing back up and you lock it in place. So here is actually the old bulb. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's no blue tint to the bulb. And I don't know particularly how bulbs work. However, this is just a nice yellow one. The new ones are blue tinted, which gives it probably a more white look. This is going to be the difficult one because you really have to stretch in. Let me see if I can do it right now. Hang on. You can, if you need any extra help, you can look in here and you can see the bulb, if you're grabbing it or not. And I got it. Boom. Voila, that is a very beautiful looking light. Oh my god, I'm beyond buzzing. £17, it's such an easy mod, and I cannot wait to be driving on the road with this on. Wow. Look, you guys can see right there, that is the blue light, and it is definitely whiter. Really, I didn't think I'd notice a difference. However, you know, that's both whiter and brighter. Bloody hell, it looks like I'm in like Britain's Got Talent or something, you know, with all the spotlights. Headlight change has been done. Hopefully we can tell a difference on the night drive. Let's actually switch over to the night time and we'll see how it looks. Right, so we're now in the night, of course, and I'll show you guys what the lights look like. Hopefully, it's a nice white. Ready? 3, 2, 1. They are very bright. They're a lot brighter than my other ones. That's all I can say, but they do look a little bit white and not crazy white.
I don't know, we'll probably see better when we drive them.
Yeah, let's actually get in the car and then see how nice they look. So we're now on the road, and as you guys can see, it is actually really bright. For low beams, I don't know if I just had really shit bulbs before, but this is actually quite bright. It looks like I've almost got high beams on. You know what I mean? That's high beams now. That's low beams. It don't look like
to a dark road.
Yeah. That Audi's got nothing on us with our Corsa, new Corsa ones. Jeez. Right then, so I've just got back from the drive with the new bulbs in, and honestly, definitely I can notice a difference. 100% they are so much brighter than my old ones. On camera they looked incredibly white. They do look whiter on camera than off camera. However, they were still just that tiny bit more cooler in temperature. But yeah, let's actually turn the lights on and let's see what you guys think of them. Let me know if you guys think it's a worthwhile upgrade. I know a lot of people probably wanted me to get like LED headlights. However, to be honest, I just don't know how to install them. I don't know if I said that already. I don't know if it's a different kind of process, but I think they're pretty lit anyway. Oh, Jesus Christ. Even the bloody car didn't want you to see my ugly mug. Right, let's actually turn this bloody car on and then let's put the lights on. I think the lights are already on. Oh, next year. Wow, look, right. Let's take a look. Right, lights are on now, and honestly, that looks really good. Definitely, you know, if you guys didn't know, I actually changed the daytime running lights to like a blue / white one, and yeah, definitely you can tell the difference in those. And honestly, it looks like we're fucking shooting a music video in this shit. Yo, if Morrison or Digger D or bloody Skepta wants to use my bloody Corsa, hit me up, alright? But yeah, wow, they look really good on camera. They look better on camera, I'm not gonna lie. Genuinely, if you have got some stock bulbs in your one, definitely would recommend getting upgrading. Like my vision on the road now, I will be able to see, these bulbs have allowed me to see the bloody future. Like I can see myself, you know, I'm already seeing myself in debt. Probably from buying too many car accessories or something. But yeah, overall, I don't know if you guys can, you guys can't really see out there, it's condensate from the window, but very, very happy with it. It's increased visibility on the road, which is what we want, and a little bit whiter and brighter. Very nice. Right then, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video, changing the bulbs on the Corsa. Hopefully, I actually see a difference when I actually go out on a night drive. However, at the moment, I can kind of tell a difference because it's whiter, but hopefully at night it will be a lot whiter because obviously there's a difference. You guys have probably seen it already, so. Ooh, so juicy. Ooh, I'm fucking buzzing. I honestly want to change that high beam now. I want to change that to a nice white one as well. Hopefully, future Michael is happy with it, because I am quite happy with how bright they are and how white they are right now. So yeah, unfortunately that is the end of today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you are new, follow me on Instagram at @OtherStuff. And yeah, very, very happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you love faces in my next video.